Hello class, welcome back in economics class. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, secondary sector, industry. Right? In this chapter we will understand about that what is industry, different types of industry, industrialization, right? So let's start this chapter. In this chapter we will understand about the meaning, okay? Meaning of secondary sectors, that industry, okay, what is industry, industrialization, then interdependence of agriculture on industries and industries on agriculture, okay. Then types, there are different types of industries which exist in any economy, any country, right? Different types, their meanings and features, okay. Then last we will understand about the adverse impact of industrialization. Now how this industrialization is giving positive and negative impact on the economy or environment, okay. Just for deforestation, pollution, we will understand about all these things. So let's start the topic and this chapter. Let's understand that meaning of industry. Before that, you know that there are three sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary sectors, right? So primary sectors is directly concerned with extracting or exploiting the natural resources, right? So उसमें agriculture आ गया, mining आ गया, okay, poultry farming आ गया. So all that is concerned with the primary sector. And in primary sector we learned about the agriculture, right? In the secondary sector, these secondary sectors are those sectors which plays a very important role in conversion of raw material into finished good. ठीक है, तो ये जो होता है secondary sector plays a role, plays a middleman work, okay, between the primary and the tertiary sectors. उनके बीच एक link की तरह काम करता है, right? So basically here we will understand about the industry. Industries comes under your secondary sector. What is industry? The first question arises. Basically, industry includes all those economic activities which focus on the processing of raw material and production of goods in factories. Basically, industry includes all those economic activities. Economic activities means which is concerned with money or wealth, right? So when you are earning money, so that is economic activity. So it is concerned with economic activities which focus, okay, which focus on the processing of raw material and production of goods in factory. Processing होगी, right? Raw material आया, उसकी processing होगी, conversion होगा, then that product will be converted into final or finished, semi-finished or finished product, right? तो ये होती है industry, right? Which is concerned with economic activity and where the main objective is to process the raw materials and the production of goods in the factories, right? Now these industries, basically this industry is concerned with the production of two types of goods. ये industries जो होती हैं दो तरह की productions करती हैं. That is your consumer goods and the second one is your capital goods. ठीक है, दो तरह की consumer goods का production करना और capital goods को produce करना. Now what is consumer goods? Goods are meant for direct consumption by the people. वो सारी चीजें जो directly जो person होता है, जो consumer होता है, those who are consuming that product for their own, जैसे bread, milk, toothpaste, right? So these all are the consumer good which is used by the consumer, right? Capital goods are used for the production of consumer goods. Capital goods उसे कहते हैं जो कि consumer goods के production में use होते हैं, जैसे plants, machineries, tools, equipments. So all these are capital goods जिसका use हम किसी consumer production के लिए करेंगे. So that is your capital goods. हो सकता है कुछ industries बड़ी बड़ी मशीनें बनाती हूँ, बड़े बड़े tools बनाती हूँ, बड़े बड़े equipments बनाती हूँ, right? So this is capital goods, consumer goods and capital goods. Clear? So this is all about that. Now, this industrial activities comprise it includes extraction, production, conversion, processing and fabrication of goods. जो इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटी होती है वहाँ पे क्या क्या चीज़ें होती है? एक्सट्रैक्ट करना, ठीक है, मतलब आप रॉ मटेरियल लाए, उसमें से चीज़ों को एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के बाद देन प्रोडक्शन करना, राइट? जैसे ऑयल होता है, ओके, जैसे सीड्स, मस्टर्ड सीड्स लाए जाते हैं, उससे एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है ऑयल, राइट? सो एक्सट्रैक्शन करना, प्रोडक्शन करना, प्रोड्यूस करना, राइट? फिर कन्वर्जन करना, देन व्हेन द कॉटन इज कन्वर्टेड क्लोथ्स, ठीक है, क्लोथ्स में जब कन्वर्ट किया जाता है उसको पीस ऑफ क्लोथ में, राइट, तो कन्वर्जन हो गया, प्रोसेसिंग होती है, बहुत सारी प्रोसेसिंग होती है कि पहले उसको कटिंग करना, फिर उसको कलरिंग करना, ऑल दिस इज, जैसे वुड आया फॉरेस्ट से, दैट इज रॉ मटेरियल, फिर उसको कट करना, फिर उसकी प्रोसेसिंग करना, उसको एकदम अच्छे से करना, फिर उसकी टेबल चेयर जो भी डिज़ाइन करना, दैट इज जस्ट प्रोसेसिंग, राइट। देन फैब्रिकेशन मीन्स जैसे क्लोथ्स होते हैं, बेसिकली फैब्रिकेशन कंसर्न विद योर क्लोथ्स में होता है फैब्रिकेशन, राइट। So these activities are included in your industrial activities: extraction, production, conversion, processing and fabrication. Industry is branch of commerce concerned with the production of wealth. This is said by S.R. Deval. S.R. Deval says that industry, it is a branch of commerce. ये commerce का branch है जिसमें जो होता है production of wealth concerned. It is basically concerned with the production of wealth, right? So let's understand the basically interdependence of agriculture, right? Let's understand the importance of industries in the Indian economy. Indian economy में industries की क्या importance है, right? The first one is rapid growth of income. Now rapid growth of income here, the first and foremost argument in the favor of industrialization is that alone provides a basis for rapid growth of income, because ये क्या है कि आप लोगों को न्यू एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलेंगी, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रीज आएंगी तो दे विल गेट द न्यू एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आएंगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली द इनकम ऑफ द पीपल विल ऑल्सो बी increase, right? So rapid growth of income. Next is increase employment opportunities. Income is totally dependent on the employment. जब employment होगा तभी तो income generate होगी, right? So यहाँ पे क्या है, इंडस्ट्रीज की वजह से उनको नए नए लेबर्स चाहिए, okay, मैन पावर चाहिए, so that they can utilize them for the production, okay, or processing whatever. So that's why it increase the employment opportunity. Employment opportunities को ये भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा increase करेंगे, right? Next is exploitation of resources. Now here exploitation of resources means basically all types of resources are available in this economy. Now this industry will utilize these resources in such a way that resources can be utilized in its best way. इसका बेस्ट तरीके से इन रिसोर्सेज का यूटिलाइजेशन करना ही एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज है, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज इंक्रीजिंग एक्सपोर्ट अर्निंग. अब क्या है, नाउ वी आर नॉट टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन द अदर कंट्रीज फॉर एनीथिंग, राइट? नाउ वी कैन एक्सपोर्ट टू द अदर कंट्रीज. इम्पोर्ट क्या होता है, अपनी कंट्रीज में सामानों को लाना, एंड एक्सपोर्ट दूसरी कंट्रीज में सामान भेजना, ठीक है? एक्सपोर्ट एंड इम्पोर्ट, इन and out. So exit, right? So export to send the things or do the trading with the other countries. दूसरे देश में चीज़ों को भेजना. Now we can export things from our country to other countries. हम दूसरे countries में भी सामानों को बेच सकते हैं, right? अब हमारे पास हमारी अर्निंग बढ़ गई है because of this export. Okay? Balanced development. Now balanced development means now the rural versus urban areas both are developing, right? ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ urban ही develop कर रही है, no, but the rural area, because some industries are set up in the rural areas. कुछ industries कहाँ पे set up की गई हैं, rural areas में, right? So there the employment is also generated, employment generate होगी, income generate होगी तो लोगों की standard of living भी बढ़ेगी, right? So in this way एक balanced development start हो चुका है. So these are the some importance of industries in the Indian economy, right? So in the next video we will start with the interdependence of agriculture and industries. Thank you so much for watching this video.